Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Today we are ranching once again. Matty Ice.
Final tutorial.
Matty Ice is taking off here in about an hour, so it's gonna be me for the next 5 days. Hopefully I don't burn the place down or kill a bunch of cows. No good. If you watched the last video of us loading up the feeder, this gravity wagon, you would know that we broke the old hitch off, but he got her welded back on there. This last night he did and loaded it up. But we got this guy full of corn. Sick calves in the lot. Well, they're not super sick. They're just a little lame and small, and had to get moved back into the yard so we can take care of them. Oh yeah, baby. Make sure this guy's on today. Motion sensor water. There's a motion sensor up in there coming from that pipe. Yep, she's working. Pull up to the shop. Open the door. Open the door. Unplug tractor number 1. Gotcha. Up in here. And we're live, boys. Fire this old girl up. There we go. I'm gonna load the wagon up here so you guys get to see a little of that. I need a little practice loading the wagon up. It's been nearing a year. Get this out of here because we don't want a pancake spatula out of our shovel when we drop a bale on it. I'm in the hot seat, boys. Well, folks, believe it or not, I did end up getting it filled with a little bit of stair-stepping and yelling from my dad. Don't worry, cows, feed is on the way. Here we go. First load of feed of the day going out. So you kind of see this edge of snow here where it's dirt, or it's manure and hay and snow. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to feed on that edge so these cows can slowly eat it back more and more every day when they step on it and when they poop on it and get feed on it. And then we'll take and roll a bale along here so they're always on these edges. Eventually we'll have this whole thing covered, you know. Well, folks, first load of the day is done. Dad needs to go. They're taking off for the airport, so the rest is on me for the next 5 days. Well, Dad's on his way and we got a list, so let's see how much stuff we can't break, hopefully. Sounds about right. Let's mix her up. Load it up to the brim. Last load mixed up for the day, baby. If your girl don't look at you like these cows looking at feed, she's not the one, folks. Gotta grab 7 bales and take them out there to the cows. We gotta grab them down with the loader and then we're gonna unroll them with the pickup. Do you guys realize how crazy it is how much these animals can actually eat? Like, we only have 940 head about, and we're feeding 30,000 pounds of feed a day. And then on top of that, we're feeding 10 bales, probably about 14,000 pounds. So we're putting like 44,000 pounds of feed in these animals every day. Just think of how many cows are in America. Next time you go to the supermarket and grab a steak, just think of how much feed and how much time was put into those animals. It's pretty crazy to think about. But well, we frickin' got the pickup stuck once, rocked it out with the bale. That's one nice part about the bale bed. You can lift it up and get extra weight to rock you out. But now we're finally unrolling another one. Don't know where my knife went, lost that. So I used an axe to cut this one open. Optimal. She's unrolling nicely. If you guys want to see some more ranching videos, leave a comment down below. Uh-oh. Time to go have a little fun. Now we gotta come up here and let these guys out so they can head over to the feed. Almost done for the day. We got those bales lined up, cleaned up a little bit here in the lot. Yeah, we're done probably for the day here. I'm gonna go put this in the shop, plug it in, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. First things first. Oh, chain swanging today, baby. First things first, folks, it's a little bit windy out here. We got a dying calf out here. Oh, jeez. Hold up, folks. We got a dying calf. Hey, get up, calf. Hey, come on, buddy. Buddy, let's go. Let's go, bud. Let's go, bud. Come on, bud. Get up. Come on, buddy. Come on. Get up. Yep. Come on. Hey, you got it, bud. Sparky, no, not this one. Not this one. Hey, it's all right, bud. He was just laying here about to pass out. He'd got up on there. You're lucky I saved you, boy. You would have been a coyote bait pile real quick today. You're lucky I saved you, big boy. Hey, there you go, buddy. Get up on them feet, Sparky. Enough, Sparky, enough. He's sick. Sparky, enough. Good, enough. There you go, guys. That, my friends, is a prime example of what can happen when these calves get full of food. And they're not even full. That one wasn't terribly full, but they lay down, they melt into the snow or get up on a hump of manure or on the hill, or if there's hay or anything underneath them. And that will happen. They'll tip over and they just can't get up over their hump of their stomach. Just like a turtle on its back, it's like a cow on its stomach. They can't get up, then they lay there and they suffocate eventually. It's a horrible thing, but it's what happens. Luckily, I caught that one right at the last second there to save him. Looks like they're still here and the fence is up. It's a good day. Holy shnikes, boys. This is gonna be a windy one. Here we go. Let's do this. That's good. Hold up. Gotta lock them up in there so they have some water for the day. All right, let's see if we can grab a bale this morning. Oh my gosh, it hurts to push the door. Holy crap. Ay, caramba. Heavy eyes ain't born for resting. Look out, cows. Time to do some real feeding now, boys. The dreaded walk back to the shop. All the way over there. We made her. It is a heater type of day, folks. Let's mix some feed. They're all fed. Except this one. She just likes to follow me. Round 2, baby. Going out. If you think that my dad and I should start a second channel called Ranching Sodak, let us know in the comments down below, because we'd be willing to do that. I'd help my dad out and get him started. A lot of videos would probably just consist of him doing his everyday thing. I mean, he's got a TikTok already, and he does pretty well on there. Pulling in for our last load of the day. Had to bring these dogs home. They were chasing cows away when I was trying to feed. Who the heck is in my yard? Someone's in my driveway right now. It's Sierra. How did she find where I lived? This is crazy. Welcome back to Ranching Sodak. How the heck did you find my house?
I don't know.
She just shows up out of the blue.
When I got here.
Well, time to put her to work. Here, you drive. Optimal. Last load, ladies and gentlemen. Then what do we have to do? What's next?
I don't know what's next.
Oh, perfect. Oh, well, we're screwed. I don't know either. All right, load it up. Here you go. You can be the camera woman today. I doubt.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, I never said I was the smoothest operator. I'm just an operator. It'll be mostly my dad, obviously, but
You should.
He said 1700. Look where it's at. 1706. All right, guys, we finally got our last loads hauled out for the day. We got to grab 7 bales now, so here we go.
What's that?
Oh, just the thing that grabs the bales. You ever seen one of these in person?
No, actually,
or ever?
we don't have one.
Not many people do, Sierra. It's a special unit here. Ooh, that bale looks like it's blowing apart everywhere. Optimal. Hey, turn that the other way, dingus. That's not good. You're distracting me. We got her this time. That bale's on a little crooked, but this is what it looks like when there's 2 bales on there. She's got a little bit of a squat to her. Alright guys, we just got done unrolling our bales, so now we're just cleaning up the lot, and then we're gonna grab a few more bales and set them out for tomorrow. That way I don't have to do it then. Alright, what do you think of ranching Sodak?
It's going good. The camera's not even up.
It's pretty wide. You're good. Ooh, look at that.
Everything that I just said is.
How come?
I don't know.
We're all done, folks. Done for the day. It's about 2 p.m. and wrapping her up. Everything went pretty smoothly. And we even had a guest on the show. But if you like this video, leave a like down below and also drop a comment. Let me know if you guys want to see my dad and I start a ranching Sodak channel. But we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.